Welcome back to Primetime News. Back now to our earlier story. Residents in St. Catherine have mixed feelings about the state of emergency in that parish. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Where are the security forces? A question some residents in St. Catherine asked after news broke that a state of emergency was declared in the parish. When our news team arrived in Portmore, we expected to see the usual checkpoints and heavy police military presence, but that was nowhere in sight. Instead, we saw some regular patrols. Old Harbour Bay, however, appeared to be under a state of emergency. There were checkpoints, but still just a handful of police and soldiers. Our sources say criminals in the community have been wreaking havoc for some time. So, for residents like Matthew Mitchell, the state of emergency is needed.
I'm so grateful to see that this has happened. It should have happened for a very, very long time. And I'm really proud and happy. And I know it's going to work.
Others think differently.
It is not necessary because where I'm living in Old Harbour Bay, I'm here and I'm 26 and I've been here for 26 years now. And for me, Old Harbour Bay, Dagger Bay is the safest place right now in the community.
We journeyed back to Portmore to see if things had changed. By then, checkpoints had been erected. We visited several communities here in the St. Catherine South Police Division to take a look at how things are progressing. Based on our observation, this checkpoint in Waterford, Portmore appears to be the strictest so far. The traffic here along the roadway helped to tell the tale of what's taking place. Many Jamaicans have been questioning the effectiveness of the SOEs, and with yet another declaration, the sustainability. Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott cautioned the government.
I hope that the government is really taking stock to see that whilst it has had some effect in the past, those effects are no longer working.
Councillor for the Old Harbour South Division Lloyd Grant believes the presence of the security forces will bring change.
As long as the police are here, I know the criminals will take themselves away. So I think it will be positive. It will be a positive for this community.
Mayor Scott argues that there has to be a long-term sustainable plan.
If we don't really take a stock of a long-term solution, we are going to be just playing catch-up and using the more brutal we become, is the more brutal the criminals become. So it's not working.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.